Hello viewers, hope you are fine and doing well and you are creating new things in the Photoshop and improving your skills day by day. So today we will learn new thing and the topic of the new thing is clipping mask. You might be knowing what the clipping mask is, but even after it, I will make you understand what is clipping mask. You see, clipping mask is very helpful option in order to create some nice looking text, fonts and printing your name or photo over some other articles like cups, tables, pillows, etc. In later videos definitely I will make you understand its application. But in this video, I will discuss how to use clipping mask in text. Remember one thing, there are two types of object in Photoshop and that is raster object and smart object. As it is clear from the name that smart object won't pixelate or loses its quality even if you transform it or do anything with it. But our raster image starts pixelating if you decrease its size and increase again. Before performing any operation in the raster object, make sure you have converted into smart object. You can see I have written a text that is building. You can write anything you want. I will give it a suitable font, that is some thicker font, because we have to clip an image before it. I think this looks fine. I will stretch it a little more. Yeah, it's fine. Now look, I have opened an image to clip it before the text. Now move your image to the text you have written. Transform it to match with the written text. Now very important thing, press Alt key and click in between the text and your image layer. This will create a clipping mask and you can see very beautifully that our image has moved behind our text. Only that part of the image is visible where we have written our text. You can also move the image wherever you want. For nice effects, you can also adjust the image. You can see I am adjusting here vibrance and saturation. And see, image is looking more pop out now. Hope you had liked the video. See you in the next video. Till then, take care of yourself and thanks a lot guys. Lots of love.